these are the basic tools you need to start sofa flipping. I'll make it as simple as possible. Starting off with some gloves. These are really good to use. I well recommend, because you want to protect your hands from working on sofas and using harsh chemicals. Speaking of chemicals, I recommend these two. So elbow grease is really, really good, but do be careful when using this to test first on the back of the sofa or on the side, because sometimes it can be harsh for some leathers. So guys, check this one out. This is really good for taking stains out and things that have been on the sofa for a long time. Also Dettol antibacterial, this one is absolutely perfect. And guys, make sure it's the one it says 0% harsh residue. This is absolutely perfect. You don't want the one with bleach. And going on to tools, these are the ones that I genuinely recommend. Starting off with this one, this is the main one that I absolutely use. This is from Halford's Advance. It's a tray that I have bought. I think it was like £50. I think you can get them cheaper on eBay if you search. So this is really good that I use all the time. And on this side, it's a bigger version. So some of these sometimes I do need to use because some of the bolts are taking off some stuff on the sofas. I do need bigger ones. So this is really good. And on this side, these are also really good because sometimes these are too small, the T-Rex, to take off some of the Allen key style bolts. So these are sometimes small, so you do need a bigger version. So I've used these many times. I don't use it all the time, but it's really, really good to have, because sometimes one bolt you want to take off, but you don't have the connection, or this one is too small. So having this is really, really good. And other things that I use is a cutter. This is really good, the small one, because it's retractable. As you can see, plier. I've got the mini attachment. These are Ryobi ones, so this is really good to use. I've got a handheld staple gun. I will be getting, or I do recommend a compressor or a nail gun to operate on a compressor, but this one will do for now if you're starting on a budget. This is really good. These are the staples for it. Guys, the reason why I put this on, because sometimes you could be working on some sofas that are recliners and they have wires, so sometimes you need to cut some of the wires, whether they've come off, or you need to adjust them. So this is really good to have. Going with it is the PVC tape to put back the wires. Measuring tape, that's 100% essential. You need this to take measurements, otherwise customers will constantly message you what's the measurements and how big it is, and then you're having to measure. So you do need an accurate tape measure rather than using the measurements on the phone. I think having this is really good. A normal brush, microfiber cloth, that's very important to have one of them. I do have a full set on this side, as you can see. So I've got plenty of them. I go through a lot of them. And guys, try your best, don't chuck them away, put them in a basket. So if you see here, I've got used and clean. So clean once it's used and it goes into here. And what I do is when I go to the laundry to wash the covers from the sofas, I wash them and I reuse them, saving myself some money. I've got a mask, and the reason being because I use a tornado gun. Now guys, this is a really good handy tool to use. I picked this up from eBay, which is really good. This is really good to have. Gets connected to a compressor, which is right there. And it's really, really good to use. I put my cleaning liquids in there and spray directly on the sofas, and it cleans them like magic. So this is really, really good to use. Only if you're operating in a unit just like mine, where I've got electricity and I can connect the compressor to this. You can use a generator, so that's an option, but I do recommend getting this. Is really good. Power tools, I've got my compact drill, and I've got my wall drill. These are really good. This one I use with the brush, so this is something that I genuinely recommend. I picked this up from eBay, so sometimes I need to clean arms on the sofas or the base. So this is really good. And also from Halford's, I've picked up this. It's called an Upholstery brush. So this is really good to use. It's pretty hard. So when using it, do be careful on certain stuff. like leather, you don't want to agitate the leather. And a really good tool that I've always used is this here. This is a nail or a staple remover. This is really good to use. I've picked this up from Halfords, so this is really good to use. You can get it from Fix or Tool Station. I think they're about £5, so this is really good to use. And also I have a flathead I hope the camera can pick it up. So a flathead screwdriver. This is really good to use if I'm working on electrics on the sofas to take or to adjust whatever I need, because some of the wires on the sofas I do buy are damaged, so that helps me to sort them out. I've got a charger for the Ryobi batteries, and guys, you don't have to get these makes, so if Ryobi is not for you, you can get DeWalt's or other brands to use, but these are the basic stuff that I use. I do have a black gloss spray, so this is really good for feet. What I do is I always try my best to respray the feet to make them black. You can use other colors if you want, and this way the sofas can look clean, and because sometimes some of the feet, they've got damages, and I don't want that. I don't want to show that in the picture, so I do respray them. And also I've got a packaging, so this is a pallet wrapper. This is really good. So once the sofa sells, I wrap the sofa in this, and then you know, once it's delivered, customers can see it being protected, and it gives a really good impression. Once the sofa is protected, it makes it look new, makes it look professional, so that's really good. Also, last but not least, is a hammer. I do use that not all the time. It's not something you need to have, but I think it's really good if you're thinking on having basic setup, doing sofa flipping. So this is really good to use. Also on this side, I have made a proper video on this stacking trolley that I've turned into a workstation. So guys, go check that the video on what I did and how I did this. So yeah, I've got a wet and dry vacuum. This is really handy to use, and the compressor at the top. And this is really good because I can have my tornado gun like I showed you, which is there. And in the future, I'll be getting staple guns that work with this, and nail guns to make things really easy for me. So yeah, guys, these are the basic tools that you need. I hope this video has helped. If I've missed anything, please drop it in the comment. I'm always loving to learn from others, and I hope this video has inspired you and made it easy if you are trying to do sofa flipping. This is a really good place to start, by getting some of these to help you do all the work. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope this has inspired you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.